What's the meaning of allergy? Allergy. 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 Allergy.
An allergy is a reaction that occurs when the immune system responds to a harmless substance as if it were harmful. This can happen when you come into contact with things like pollen, pet dander, or certain foods. Symptoms of allergies can include sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, rashes, and even anaphylaxis in severe cases. Treatment for allergies may include avoiding the allergen, taking medication to manage symptoms, or receiving allergy shots to desensitize the immune system over time. Allergies can be bothersome but are generally not life-threatening unless left untreated.